First question, find the remainder when fx is divided by s minus 2. We have to apply the remainder theorem to find the remainder. How to write the remainder? According to the remainder theorem, when polynomial fx is divided by s minus 2, remainder is equal to f2. Remainder is equal to f2. How to simplify f2? f2 means value of the polynomial at x equals 2. So, we have to substitute x equal to into this polynomial. 2 to the power 4, 10 into 2 plus 7, 16 plus 20 plus 7. Remainder is 43. Remainder is 43. Check the second question. Gx, what is the remainder when Gx is divided by s minus 3? We have to apply the remainder theorem. First of all, we have to apply the remainder theorem. When Gx is divided by s minus 3, what is the symbol of remainder? It should be G3. G3 be the remainder. G3. G3 means value of function Gx at x equal 3. So, substitute x equal 3. 3 cube, 10 into 3 squared plus 2. 27 plus 90 plus 2. Answer is 9, 11, 119. Answer is 119.